Hi guys, thank you so much for clicking on my video. So today, I know my makeup look looks a little extra, but the reason why is because I'm actually in collaboration with several girls on Instagram. The collaboration theme was fruit, so we each picked a fruit and then we had to create a makeup look based on it. So I picked watermelon, and this is what I actually came up with. I will also link the girls' Instagrams down in my description box below if you want to check their pics out. But this was super fun to do, and I met a lot of awesome girls doing it. So hopefully you guys go show them some love and you go follow them on Instagram. So before we get started with this video, please don't forget to, one, like this video, shoot me a comment, and why don't you tell me your favorite fruit, and then also do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you know when I upload another video. And with that, let's get started with this video. Alright, so I started off first dancing, having a good old time apparently. But first I'm going to prime my lids with the MAC Paint Pot in the color Soft Ochre. This has been my go-to eye primer lately. It's just fantastic if you ask me. So I am blending that in with my Morphe 173 brush. That's just been my go-to brush to apply this onto my lids. And I'm putting that on all the way up to my brow bone. So now I'm using my Scotch tape because I want a really sharp line. You don't have to use Scotch tape if you don't want to, but I just prefer using it. Now I'm going in with my Morphe X James Charles palette, and I'm picking up the color You're Kidding. And I'm putting that in my crease. I am packing that color on. If you can see, it is a pressed pigment. So when you're using pressed pigments, you should really pat them on versus trying to swipe them. You'll get more pigmentation. So that is what you'll see me doing here. Just packing that color on. Now I'm going in with the color Skip, which is that hot pink. And I'm going to now pack that color over You're Kidding, and blending out the harsh edges, and also blending it over the color You're Kidding, because watermelon is kind of like that pinky kind of red color. So that's what you see me doing here. Make sure I'm blending out, one, that harsh line, and two, kind of overlapping to get kind of that pinky red color. So what you see me doing here, just blending that all around. And then I decided to go in with a really tiny blending brush and just blend out that harsh line of Skip even more. And now I'm going to pack the color Skip just onto my lids. You know, I'm just trying to create some dimension. I really am trying to achieve that pinky red color of a watermelon. So now I'm going in with my ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the color 00 Fair, which is their white shade. And I'm actually taking that on a really tiny pencil brush. And I am first going to kind of draw the shape that I want. I want to create like a really thick wing. Very thick. It's kind of like a mix between a wing and a cut crease. And that's what you see me doing here. Just creating that shape and carving that out and preparing that for the color that we're going to use. So once I'm done with that, I am going to go into my Profusion Spectrum palette, and I'm picking up the color Lucky, and I'm going to pat that onto the concealer. That's going to be like the main color of my green thick wing liner cut crease type effect I'm trying to get. So I went in with a really tiny detailer brush and just I'm packing that color on to that concealer. So that's what you see me doing. So now I'm going back into the James Charles palette, and I'm picking up that deep green shade called Daddy. Yes! And I'm taking Daddy, and I am putting it on my green cut crease wing, but I'm more concentrating that closer to my lash line. Because you know, like a watermelon, the greens kind of like blend over each other. And there's like, you know, so it's like light green, dark green. That's kind of like the effect I was going for. Now I'm going in with my NYX Vivid Brights liner in the color Vivid Escape. And I am using that to kind of just define this cut crease. So I'm just creating a very thin line above those green shadows. Like I said, I'm trying to create like the depth of like a watermelon. So you know, like with the watermelon, it has like that really light green part. That's what I'm doing. Now I'm going in with the NYC Black Liquid Liner, and I am creating the seeds. And when I tell you, I literally took my time with this. This was not easy by any means. You have to really have a steady hand and just take your time. Don't rush it. And I just created kind of like teardrop shapes. So I mean, that's the advice I can give you, is just try to keep a steady hand. Maybe putting your elbow on a table will help. But like, that's literally what I did, was just create some teardrop shapes using that black liquid liner. So now I'm just removing that tape, which is what you'll see me doing here. And now I'm going in with the LA Girl Shockwave Neon Liner in the color Fury. And I'm putting that on my waterline, and it's like a red color. Well, it's not like a red color. It is red. And I'm putting that on my waterline. So now I'm just going to go do my face makeup. See that? See that editing? Your girl good. So now I'm going in with Daddy, and I'm putting that on my outer corner, like the lower lash line outer corner. And then I'm taking the color Lucky, and I'm putting that on the inner part of my lower lash line and kind of blending those two together. So that's what you see me doing here. And now I'm going in with my Sister Cosmetics Blush Duo in the color Deeply Flushed. And I'm taking that red shade in there, and I'm literally dousing my cheeks with this. You know, I'm supposed to be a watermelon, so I'm overdoing it on the blush more than I normally would. So I'm putting that all over my cheeks. And then I'm also putting it on the bridge of my nose. It's I really wanted that red to pop on my face. So that is what I'm doing here. And then I decided to go in with a little bit of You're Kidding from the James Charles palette and put that on top as well to really get that red effect. I am real red cheeked right now, but that's part of the aesthetic. And I never do this, but I decided to put dots on my beauty marks. I naturally have those beauty marks, but I usually cover them up with the makeup. But I decided to, you know, put a little dot on them, make them stand out. Why not? And then I'm going in with my Nars Climax Mascara, and I'm putting on a few coats, which is what you see me doing here. You know, getting those lashes right, getting those lashes tight. So, yeah. So once I'm done putting on mascara, I'm going to go in with my Stila Stay All Day liquid lipstick in the color Beso. Oh my god, this red, do my lips not look amazing? Like, this liquid lipstick looks good on everyone. I've never seen someone that this liquid lipstick looks bad on. It's a beautiful red, and it makes your teeth look super white. Fun fact. But it's beautiful. So I'm just putting on that on my lips. And then I'm going back in the James Charles palette in the color Face. And I'm using that to highlight my my face, my cheekbones, my nose, my brow bone, my inner corner, you know, everywhere where I normally highlight, I'm using that. And then once I'm done with that, my face is done. And with that being said, this is the final look. This is in collaboration with several girls on Instagram. I will have their Instagram handles linked in my description box below if you want to go and check out their looks or show them any support and love. And with that, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And please hit that notification bell so you know when I upload another video. Bye, guys.